Okay, welcome back. We are on our fourth row of the aUI elements of meaning. And this time we are doing this row here, which are called, in phonetics, these are called fricatives. It sounds like friction, and so they all have a certain amount of friction in their concept or in their meanings. So we start out with this, an arrow, a shortcut arrow, so you can write it in one line, pointing at an object, pointing at this. Okay. Then we have a round dot that is sort of enclosed in on itself on a sort of an object, represent an object or a thing, and it's pronounced s. Sometimes we hiss at things that that don't always work or get in the way, or we have too many things. S. Then we have the existence. The symbol for existence is a vertical line which is standing out. When we are more standing upright, we stand out. Exist means to stand out. And it also means being. It is also the symbol for being. So we pronounce it sh, precious, special existence. So we also, my father also always said, the hush of existence. Shh. And here we have again two shortcut arrows connected, pointing to two different things or to two people relating each other. Pronounce. It's a velar sound, and it's pronounced in the back of the throat. It feels like it's in the back, and it's kind of like a snore. Um, it shows relation. And then if we go even further back in the mouth, we have the question. It's just like a question mark, and we gasp the question. Huh? Who? How? Huh? So as we see, we are from left to right, we are going from front of the mouth, articulated front of the mouth, and towards the back of the mouth on the right side. So we continuously go. We started out on the with the lips, s, sh. So you can feel the the airflow is being is there's friction caused in the airflow when we articulate these sounds. So there's friction there. S, sh, and that's why they're called fricatives. All right. Thank you. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. No, we've got to go through them with the symbols only. So let's do that real quick. So we have here the arrow pointing at this. And then we have the enclosed kind of object, thing. We have the existing straight up, standing up line, standing out line, shh, the hush of existence. And then the arrows pointing, showing relation. And then here, obviously, question, gasping questions. So there we go. And we next time we'll do the fifth row.